Picture this. You type a rainy city with neon lights, and seconds later, you're inside it, walking the streets, exploring the alleys, interacting with everything around you. This isn't a scene from a movie. This is Genie 3, an AI that transforms simple prompts into fully playable worlds instantly. Genie 3 is a world model developed by DeepMind. It can create environments from either text or images. It doesn't just know what things should look like, it understands how they should move, interact, and respond. The result? Fully interactive worlds running at 720p and 24 frames per second, lasting for minutes at a time. Genie 3 isn't just for looking. You can play, walk into objects, paint on walls, leave, come back, and your paint is still there. It even supports AI controlled characters, so humans and bots can share the same space. This technology goes far beyond games. Robots and AI agents can train in these simulated worlds without any real world risk. From navigating warehouses to moving through city streets, they learn how to adapt and react. It's an important step toward more capable general purpose AI. Genie 3 doesn't just create pretty backgrounds, it understands physics. Spill water, knock something over. The world reacts exactly as you'd expect. What's amazing is that none of this was manually coded. It all emerged naturally as the AI learned and scaled. Game developers can build prototypes in seconds. Teachers can take students on virtual field trips. Artists can turn pure imagination into something you can walk through. Genie 3 brings design, AI, and interactivity together and puts it in the hands of anyone with a vision. Right now, Genie 3 is still in early testing. Interactions are short, the art style is stylized, and the public can't access it yet. But this is only the beginning. Future versions could bring more realism, longer play sessions, and full 3D worlds. Genie 3 is the closest we've come to a real digital genie. If you could create an entire world with just one sentence, what would you make? So that's it. If you've got questions, drop them in the comments. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.